Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing first look of the Twosun TS102 in Micarta. The knife comes in a standard Twosun box, so nothing special there, keeping the cost down. It comes nicely packaged in two plastic bags, and I'm really happy to share that this one did not came oiled up, so the Micarta scales are looking really decent, how they supposed to be, not drenched oil. We have a generous thin coating of oil on the blade, which is how it's supposed to be, given that this is D2. Designer of the knife is Nine Morning. He is a in-house designer for Twosun, so I'm looking forward what he is producing this year for Twosun, and we're probably getting some more knives from him, so stay tuned for that. So let me give you the specifications really quickly. We have a over length of 18.8 centimeters or 7.4 inches. The blade is 8 centimeters, 3.1 inch, with a cutting edge of 7.3 centimeters or 2.9 inches. So if you live in a jurisdiction where under 3 inches is the law, then this one would be nice for you. The blade width is 2.7 centimeters or 1.1 inch. The thickness is 3.7 millimeters or 0.14 inches. The handle is 10.9 centimeters or 4.3 inches with a thickness of 1.7 centimeters or 0.7 inches. Materials used on this one, like I mentioned, we have D2 on the blade with a standard Twosun satin finish with a drop point profile. The handles are made out of canvas micarta. They used something new on this one, just because I will show you the previous model that I got from them that had some interesting micarta, but it is what it is. So we have a natural style, so blasted finish, stainless steel liners. They look like nicely and skeletonized right there. We have a deep carry pocket clip with a medium tension. We have full backspacer with a which looks like black G10. The pivot assembly looks and feels to be a KVT, so cage ball bearing washers. The weight comes in 113.6 grams or 4 ounces. So like a lot of Twosuns, this doesn't have the D10 ball ramp, so if you want to disengage it, you will have to overcome completely the D10 ball or just help it to push it a little bit. But the action is really nice and fast. Sits in the hand really nicely, since this is a almost straight profile. You can also choke up on the blade. I feel no sharp corners. This is excellently done by Twosun, so they are constant in this quality of fit and finish. Okay, let's see the sharpness test really quickly. So out of the box we have a really nice and sharp blade. This has a high potential to be a really great slicer if you're looking something like that. Okay, let me show you the pocket profile. Like I mentioned, this is a deep carry pocket clip, so it will go really easily with the medium tension. Will definitely not shred your pocket, and you can slide it in without any problems. This is how much it will stick out. So this is, I would say, true deep carry. Really nice. Probably only downside is that it's so shiny, almost a mirror polish right there. So yeah. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the Micarta. Like I mentioned, the previous Micarta models that I got were introduced with this polished up burlap style micarta, which is heavy on the acrylic resin or epoxy resin, so they feel almost like plastic. They definitely can see the fabric in the matrix. So compare them side by side. I would wish they would use something like this on all of them. But let me tell you, this is no way so good than the 301 has. As you can see there, this is probably so far the best quality micarta I used on a knife. But of course there are significant price differences. This being around $100, this being $39.99. So yeah. But overall, we have a really nice fabric feel to it. So now let's see a few size comparisons. So here is the 55 fish Warrior Mini. Here is the full size. CVV Elementum, QSP Penguin, CRKT Pilar 1, Pilar 3, Spyderco Paramilitary 2, Giant Mouse Ace Grand, Kubieris, Kaiser Begleiter 2, CVV Rustic Gent, Small Reptilian from Benchmade, Red Model 2, Spyderco Delica, the Free Tiger or Tuna Fire 956, Kaiser Pinch, Rough Rider Peanut, Texas Toothpick from Buck, Sodbuster Jr. from Case. Let's close it down with K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so the price point, like I mentioned, is $39.99. They should be available on white mountain knives if you are from US. If you are not, then you can check out also AliExpress and eBay, of course. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented. but sometimes that's other stuff regarding minor hobbies. With that being said, I like you, thank you for watching, wish you a wonderful day, and hope to see you soon. Bye.